guys, and welcome back to Bottomless Finance. Thank you so much for watching. Today, I will be speaking with you as a business accountant, and I'll be walking you through revenue versus income. Let's begin with revenue. Revenue is the total amount of money a company makes by selling a product or service. The formula for revenue is the price of your product or service multiplied by the number of products or services you sold. As an example, for a product-based business, if you sold 10 cupcakes at $3 per cupcake, then your total revenue would be $30. And it'll be the same process for a service-based business as well. Business owner is listed there because revenues goes to the business owner. Next is operating income. Our operating income is when our expenses are deducted from our revenue. So, in other words, this will be your total sales minus your expenses. Independent contractors, also known as subcontractors, can be a business or an actual person. Subcontractors do not work for the company that hires them. However, subcontractors are contractually obligated to complete work for companies once that subcontractor accepts the job requested by that company. Both subcontractor as well as the company will come to a mutual agreement in regards to how that will be carried out. A great example of a subcontractor or an independent contractor would be an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or even a delivery person. Net income. Net income is taxes plus interest deducted from operating income. So this is when everyone picks up their paycheck on Friday or Thursday. Direct deposit just hit. So employees are listed here because once you receive your paycheck from your employer, you do not have the responsibility of paying off any of your company's expenses or their taxes. In fact, your taxes, your personal taxes, are paid on your behalf by your employer. So before your check gets handed to you, your employer already sent the IRS and sent the local government and the state and the city all the taxes that were due on your behalf from the monies you earned by working. The top two rows are for my business people. So, if you are a business owner, then you earn revenue. And if you are an employee, then you earn income. Income and revenue are both inflows of money. This means that income and revenue are money that comes in to the business or comes in to our bank accounts. Both income and revenue are monies that we receive. What differentiates income and revenue? What differentiates income and revenue is that income is proportionate to revenue, meaning income is only a portion of revenue. Looking at my vegan pizza, you'll notice that revenue is the entire pie, whereas income is only a few slices. Yeah, so that's the best example that I have for that. On the left is revenue, and on the right is income. As I stated earlier, business owners earn revenue and employees earn income. Business owners as well as subcontractors receives a 1099 or cash receipts to file their taxes, whereas employees receive a W-2 form from their employer to file their taxes. Business owners and subcontractors receives a 1099 because they are responsible to pay their own taxes as well as responsible to pay their own expenses that they need in order to perform their work. Employees does not pay any of the company expenses, and their employer pays their taxes on their behalf. Looking at the overall business, the total money the business generates is revenue. And on the right, income would be considered the business profit. If the business is not profitable, then there will be no income. In fact, there will be a loss or there will be a balance, which is break even. When a company breaks even, this means that the company's revenue and expenses are pretty much even. They are the same amount. Revenue is top line because on the profit and loss statement, revenue is literally the top of the line. The number and the amount of revenue will be listed at the top line of a profit and loss statement. Also, a profit and loss statement is also known as an income statement. So either two titles would be the same thing. And on our bottom line will be our net income. The net income is literally on the bottom line of our income statement. Net income is the last number you will see listed on our income statement or our profit and loss statement. If you have a business and you are not producing any revenue, then this means you are not making any sales. And on the right, if you are not earning any income, then this means you are unemployed or your venture is not making any money. If you are new in business or you have a startup, please allow at least 2 to 3 years before you break even or begin earning a profit. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. I hope this was helpful. And y'all better start bringing a pen and paper to my little lessons. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching my video and for your support. As always, if you would like to support me further in my law school dreams, please donate to my GoFundMe. It's a graduation and law school tuition fund. I would really appreciate your support. The link to my GoFundMe is listed below. Toodles.